K3's mainframe was designed with both dentists and patients in mind. The hydraulic motor allows the chair to recline smoothly. With adjustable height, the dentist can easily perform treatments in different positions. The ergonomically designed mainframe evenly distributes the patient's weight, especially the part that makes direct contact with the chair, including shoulders, back, and hips for optimal comfort. In case of the headrest, K3 has adopted its double-jointed design with a no-load single-touch function. The backrest is wider than average and hence comfortably embraces the patient's back and shoulders. Also, the cylindrical armrests are vertically adjustable for the convenience of patients. They make it easy for patients to sit on the chair and provide comfort during treatment. The overall design of the K3 accentuates its curved lines and figures. It blends in well in any dentist's office. There are 9 different color options, from darker color such as brown and navy blue to lighter tones including ivory and orange. Moreover, customizable colors are available for unit chair seat, doctor's table, assistant table, and the cover of the spitten. The K3 has been honored with Good Design Award. Its popularity has driven the unique dental equipment to function as an aesthetic element of medical interior.